Goa Police, anti-narcotic cell of Goa Police, the crime branch and the SP North to act on these places. Just because Kalangut, we have done so many raids, some people have put allegation on me also. How come Kalangut has got so many raids in Kalangut, and Michael Lobo is praising the PI? Whichever PI is doing a good job, police station is doing a good job as far as drugs is concerned, I will praise them. And I always stand by people also who give information. Information is the need of the hour. Whoever is doing this trade, that information has to reach the right people in the police department. And the raids have to be planned and caught. And I strongly believe that earlier these same type of things were happening, and Manohar Parrikar was taking every week review meetings. Review meetings he was taking. What is the quantity of drugs the police have caught? And that time so many cases were booked, even in Mapsa. I think the people of Goa will recollect what I am talking. Some cases were booked in Mapsa, Thivim side, some places even in Ponda some cases were done. Means police has माझे direct allegation हा तेंच्यांनी जे ड्रग ट्रेड धरला पळय ती बारीक पेडलरांक धरल्या. ते मेन जे मनीस इतले ड्रग्स जर गोंयांत खपता जाल्यार हे कोण विकता? आमी उलयत जाल्यार थोडे जाण म्हणटा हो मायकल लोबो इज इनवॉल्ड. अरे वॉट इज द मिनींग ऑफ दीस मायकल लोबो इज इनवॉल्ड? आमी उलोवपाचें न्हू जाल्यार आमी उलयना ते सांगता आमी. ते करूया चल. गपचूप रावपाक जाय ड्रग्साचेर. प्रत्येक मनशाची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, प्रत्येक मनीस जो गोंयांत रावता तेंची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी की तेंचो चेडो चेडू सेफ आसचे, ड्रग्सा कडसून पयस आसचे. सेकंडली प्रत्येक नागरिकाची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी की आपलो भाव भयण ह्या ट्रेडान वचूंक पारना, ह्या ट्रेडा कडसून पयस रावप न्हू. ओडपाचेच न्हू, थोडे जाण पेडलरूय जाल्ल्या. आनी हेंय सांगूंक सोदता हांव की आमचे गोंयकारूय खूब जाण तितून इनवॉल्ड. ही बरी मोठी समस्या आहा. We cannot close our eyes on this issue. It will go too far. चड फुडें पावतले नाल्यार. आयज जर आमी हेचेर कारवाई चालू करिना जाल्यार फुडें त्रास जावंक शकता. इतलेंच म्हणूंक सोदता. We are elected by the people to see that these things do not happen. The safety of the people and especially the tourists coming to the state of Goa is our responsibility, and we have to be responsible for these situations also. We just cannot shy away from the situation.